Hello students, welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about a new concept, that is a valence bond theory and a formation of hydrogen molecule with the help of potential energy diagram. Okay, first of all, a valence bond theory, which is also known as VBT. These VBT are the initial letters of this theory. This valence bond theory was initially proposed by a scientist, Hitler. Then the theory was extended by two scientists, a Slater and a Pauli. This theory was developed to explain the formation of covalent molecules. This valence bond theory has following important points or important significance. Important points of this valence bond theory. Okay, according to this valence bond theory, a covalent bond will be formed only and only, or the covalent bond is formed when half-filled atomic orbitals of one atom overlaps with half-filled atomic orbitals of another atom. For example, suppose hydrogen has electronic configuration 1s1. It has half-filled s orbital. When such half-filled s orbital of one atom overlaps with half-filled atomic orbitals of another atom, then a covalent bond is formed. That is, a covalent bond is formed only when half-filled atomic orbitals of two atoms overlaps with one another. A second important point, this half-filled atomic orbital must have opposite spin. Suppose this is the half-filled atomic orbital of one hydrogen, this is half-filled atomic orbital of another hydrogen, like that. When both orbitals have same spin, then overlapping of atomic orbital is not possible. The one orbital have clockwise, while other orbital must have anti-clockwise spin. That is, according to second rule, for overlapping, atomic orbital must have opposite spin of electron. Opposite spin of electrons. Both electrons must have opposite spin of electron. Then third rule, third important features of this rule, during overlapping, when these atomic orbitals overlaps with one another, they have opposite spin of electron. That is, after overlapping, the spin of electron get neutralized and a pairing of an electron takes place. That is, during overlapping, what will be happen? During overlapping, a spin of electrons get neutralized. Spin of electrons get cancelled. Plus one half, minus 1 half. Total effective spin will be 0. That is, spin of electron get neutralized, as well as a pairing of electrons takes place. A pairing of electron takes place during the overlapping of atomic orbital. Then the strength of bond formed. A strength of a bond formed depends upon extent of overlapping. Extent of overlapping. The bond formed after overlapping, its strength depends upon the extent of overlapping. When extent of overlapping is maximum area is utilized for the overlapping. When extent is overlapping, the stronger will be bond formed and vice versa. Once again, the strength of bond depends upon the extent of overlapping. The number of covalent bond formed is equal to the number of half-filled unpaired electron present in the valence shell. The number of bond formed, sixth important point, the distance at which attractive forces and repulsive forces becomes equal. That is, these two forces get balance is called as equilibrium distance between overlapping atomic orbitals. When they are far away, overlapping will not possible. When they are far closer with each other, the potential energy goes on increasing and overlapping is not possible. When the repulsive forces and attractive forces are exactly balanced, this is known as a equilibrium distance. At this equilibrium distance, these overlapping orbitals have a minimum energy and a maximum stability. They have a minimum energy as well as a maximum stability. And last and important points of this valence bond theories are, these covalent bonds are directional in nature. Directional in nature. Here, S orbital has a spherical geometry, no directional nature. But when a bond is formed by overlapping of p orbital, a p orbital is along three different axes, px, py and pz. Due to such arrangement, a formation of covalent bond by overlapping of p orbital is a directional in nature. These are the important points. That is, the half-filled atomic orbital is essential for covalent bond formation. This half-filled atomic orbital must have opposite spin of electron. Overlapping neutralizes the spin and pairing of electron takes place. The extent of overlapping decides the strength of bond formed. The number of covalent bond formed is equal to the number of valence electron. When the attractive forces and repulsive forces are exactly balanced, the distance is known as the equilibrium distance. At this distance, atomic orbital have minimum energy and a maximum stability. These covalent bonds are directional in nature. These are important points of valence bond theory. Then a new concept, a formation of hydrogen molecule on the basis of a potential energy diagram or potential energy curve. A hydrogen molecule is formed by a sharing of an electron pair between two hydrogen atoms. That is, a hydrogen molecule has two hydrogen atoms having an electronic configuration 1s1. We know that S orbital is a spherical in shape. Suppose it is a first hydrogen atom, then this is second hydrogen atom. According to valence bond theory, for formation of covalent bond, atomic orbital must have opposite spin. That is a first point. When these two half-filled atomic orbital with opposite spin are far away from each other. First hydrogen atom, then there is a second hydrogen. When they are far away, far apart from each other, then interaction will not take place. No overlapping interaction is possible. At this stage, the potential of energy of the system is considered as a zero. At point A, when these two hydrogen atoms come closer to one another, overlapping can take place and the potential energy of system goes on increasing. Potential energy goes on decreasing. This is a point A. Suppose at the point B, this is the potential energy curve or potential energy diagram. At point A on this curve, the atomic orbital with opposite spin of electron come closer with each other. Potential energy of system goes on decreasing. Suppose at point A, no overlapping possible because they are far away from one another. The overlapping will take place when they are come closer and closer with one another. That is at point B. At point C, the overlapping of atomic orbital takes place. The potential energy of system will be minimized, lowest potential energy according to valence bond theory. According to valence bond theory, when overlapping takes place, a spin of electron get neutralized, a pairing of electron takes place, the potential energy becomes minimum. Then, if these two hydrogen atoms try to come more closer at points than at point C, that is when they try to come closer with each other, then the potential energy of system goes on increasing and no overlapping will be possible, no formation of hydrogen molecule takes place. That is only at point C. At these overlapping, the formation of H2 molecule takes place. This is the distance between two hydrogen atoms. The energy will release during the formation of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen bond is known as bond energy. Some bond energy will be released. Okay. When at point B, when these two hydrogen atom approaches with each other, then what will be happen? First hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, that is they have a positively charged nucleus and electrons are revolving around it, positively charged nucleus and electrons are present in first orbit. Two different kind of forces will be arises. Which are these forces? There is attraction between electron of one hydrogen atom and nucleus of another hydrogen atom. Electron and nucleus of each opposite hydrogen atom. Similarly, the nucleus and electron, there is force of attraction, that is attractive forces. Electron of same atom, they also attractive forces, but electron of one atom and nucleus of another atom have attractive forces. Then repulsive forces are arises. Which are the repulsive forces? The repulsive forces are, that is a positively charged nucleus of both these two atoms repel with one another, that is repulsion between a nucleus of one and nucleus of another hydrogen atom. Then there will be a repulsion between electrons of both hydrogen atoms. That is when these hydrogen atoms try to overlap, such kind of attractive as well as repulsive forces takes place. At equilibrium distance, that is at point C, these attractive forces and repulsive forces get balanced. A distance is known as the equilibrium distance. At that time, only and only overlapping will be takes place. The distance is known as the bond length. The energy will released is called as bond energy of a formation of hydrogen atom. A second possibility, when both hydrogen atoms have a parallel spin of electron, same spin of electron, when they approaches with one another, the potential energy of system suddenly goes on increasing. As potential energy goes on increasing, no overlapping will be possible, no formation of hydrogen molecule will be takes place. Which are the important points of this theory, or how we can explain formation of hydrogen molecule on the basis of potential energy? First point, when these both hydrogen having opposite spin of electrons are very away from each other, that is at point A, no overlapping will be possible. A potential energy of system will be considered as zero. When they approaches with each other, attractive forces and repulsive forces will be arises, that is attraction between electron and nucleus, electron of one atom, nucleus of another atom. There is repulsion between electrons of both atoms as well as positively charged nucleus of both atoms. When their internuclear distance goes on decreasing, or at one point these attractive forces and repulsive forces will be balanced at point C. This is known as the equilibrium distance. Here overlapping takes place, energy will be released, molecule will be formed. When this hydrogen atom come again more closer, then potential energy suddenly goes on increasing, no formation of H2 molecule will be possible. That is, formation will be possible only at point C. Okay, thank you. We will stop here.